Hi there guys, it's Brandon again from Durham Integrated Growers. Today we're going to cover testing your soil at home. So in front of me here I have a mason jar, a shovel, and some water. And that's all we need for this test. So over in the garden behind me here, I want to test this soil, so I'm going to go down about 6 inches, so about that far down. And I'm going to fill this jar up about halfway. So I'm a bit more than half there, but it will settle with the water. So I'm going to fill water up to about 1 inch. And then I'm going to shake it for probably a minute or two. Okay, so you'll see, the first thing you'll see, you probably can't see anything, but the first thing you'll see is the sand forming on the bottom, then the silt will form, and then the clay will form. Now clay is super small, so the clay will probably take about 24 hours to fully settle. So previously I did a soil test here to speed things up. We did a test of some soil we got from a local landscape supply. It's very sandy. It's 80% sand, 15% silt, and 5% clay. And what I did was, you can find a soil triangle online and put in the different percentages and meet in the middle, and it will tell you what type of soil you have. So we had a loamy sand. So that would mean it's very sandy, which is good for drainage. Sand does not hold nutrients very well, so I would want to mix in some compost, some form of organic matter. I may put in some bone meal in with my soil. If you had a very clay soil, you would also do the same thing. You would add some compost, some organic matter. Organic matter will help with aeration, water retention. So in my case, for sandy soil, I would want water retention because my soil would dry out very fast. The difference between sand and clay is that sand is a rock, a form of rock that's broken down. Silt is also rock that's in powder form. And then clay is a chemical reaction from minerals. It holds nutrients very well, so it makes nutrients available to the plants for uptake in the soil. Clay also holds moisture very well compared to sand. Silt holds moisture well as well, but silt is like flour, and when it dries out it blows away, so it erodes very easily. To recap, whether you're amending clay soil, silty soil, or sandy soil, generally what you would add is organic matter. That's one of the best things you can add to amend your soil. Thank you for watching this video. If you could like, subscribe, feel free to ask questions. We don't always know what content you want to see. So if we can help you answer questions that you have, that would be our biggest goal, I guess.